Welcome to Ames Bakes new video. Today, it's our best Ames Bakes we have done in the universe, in the world. So today, we are making popsicles. And Lincoln's doing his own, right, Lincoln? Yeah, and I'm doing this rainbow ones. Lincoln's doing the strawberry. I'm doing the orange. The fire and the, I don't know. So, let's get started. It's not even that much ingredients. You just need yogurt, cold yogurt, and some sprinkles. And you also need a popsicle holder. Yeah. Wait, was this the container? Oh, it's a container. So now let's get started. So you take a big spoonful of yogurt and take a big mold of yogurt and put it in your popsicle holder. Which Lincoln started before even I started. But if it goes over low,
Can I have a lick, Mama? A lick?
No, that's for the recipe.
Is it good?
Really good. So now we open it. Oh, I'm so sorry. Ready?
Yes.
Now don't do too much. Just go over the whole thing. Now spray it on there, okay?
Okay.
Be careful. Let me help you. Let me do it for you. Okay. Chocolate. This is really good.
Okay.
Too much sprinkles for you. It's a mess. Nom, nom, nom. I bet everyone's going to be laughing at you when people see this video. So then with your toothpick, you stir in with your sprinkle. I need to show you first. Like this. Dun, 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 dun. Like really good. Now I have to do mine. Dun, 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 dun. The next step before you put it in the freezer, make sure all of the edges of your mold all clean. So
Mine is all clean.
put it on very carefully. Lincoln, just like copy mine. So and now put it in the freezer for a night, or you can just put it in for a day if you do it in a day. And then we come back tomorrow and try these bad boys out. I'm so excited. I'm so excited too.
See you tomorrow.
We just got back from the pool, so now it's a perfect time for popsicles. So today, we are back to eat this. Ta-da! Let's eat it, bro. Oh, too good.
Good.
Yeah, pineapple. That's what I was thinking.
It was on the back. It's diamonds.
Yeah. This was a excess. Okay? I see best Ames Mega Bakes. Bye.
Bye.
So good.